You know when you end up in such a dumb situation, one for which you only have yourself to blame, and you know you're only partway through and there's so much more stupid stuff to come. Sometimes all you can do is laugh.
Like, bike packing is when you pack your bike on your back, right? Guess we're bike packing.
We're Chris and Hillary. Join us as we make mistakes so you don't have to. Hey.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go shake our bikes down at Ancient Lakes.
So we did two things wrong.
The first was changing our plan partway through without enough information about the new route. Originally, a couple of friends were supposed to join us on this shakedown. They were going to come with us on a longer international trip, and they hadn't done much bike touring.
So we chose a short, mostly flat, double-track route that we had done many times before, which would serve as a nice practice overnighter. But at the last minute, our friends ended up not being able to come. So we thought, why not try a part of this area we'd never seen before? We picked a trailhead in the car on the drive there. Alrighty. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can actually see the dirt trail.
We're going down? Is this a dumb idea?
Might be.
Are we gonna walk down that?
We're not gonna ride down most of that. We're not gonna ride down the railing part anyway. I think this is the crux though.
Dude!
Yep, I definitely just brushed my pants against it. See how it goes. The second mistake was bringing the wrong tool for the job.
I mean, everyone always says that the best bike is the bike you already have, and we're here to tell you that it can be done. But bringing fully loaded touring bikes with road wheels on a single track / hike-a-bike adventure maybe wasn't the best choice.
Oh, that's cool.
Like, is there a trail? Did we lose the trail? Oh, it's over there somehow.
Here, down below me?
I think so.
We did a few things right though. First, we gave ourselves enough time to be able to adjust our route as needed, but then we could potentially cut to something that would be, more. Yeah, so let's get down to the lake and then kind of decide. We also brought enough food and water that we didn't need to worry about running out. When you think of Washington State, you might think of deep forests and endless rain, but much of central and eastern Washington is technically a desert.
And that part around to the right of Dusty Lake's gonna be interesting. Ancient Lakes gets 6 inches of precipitation a year, mostly in winter snow, and the water in this lake is mixed with irrigation runoff, so it's not drinkable.
Most importantly, we brought a good attitude.
That's gonna be dumb.
What?
Okay, you wanna do the dumb thing?
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Do not break ankle before our trip.
Do not break bike before our trip.
I'm excited about being there.
Yeah.
We just crossed the Talus Field. It was hard. And we had a very nice mom tell us that there was another Talus Field, and we haven't quite seen it yet, but we're pretty sure it's gonna be
just ahead of us.
Another challenge. We don't use wheels anymore.
Like bike packing is when you pack your bike on your back, right? Guess we're bike packing.
What you thinking about?
How it's just gonna stop raining like real soon.
Oh.
And it'll be fine, and we'll just have nice like tacky dirt to ride in today. How much fun that'll be. That's what I'm thinking about.
Do you agree, Leo?
Whatever Dad says, yes.
Have you gotten any poison oak yet?
Yeah.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I didn't notice it until you pointed it out, though. Thanks.
Sometimes it's really nice to have a super smooth trip where everything goes as planned. But we've realized that the times when things go wrong are the times that we remember the most. So as long as we manage expectations and attitudes, keep ourselves fed, watered, and safe, and give ourselves enough time, we can have fun even when things get hard.
I almost biffed it a couple times. Now that you're just shredding on your touring bike.
So do you want to get real bike packing bikes? I like hard. I'm not gonna ride down that.
Shooting stars. Well, we made it.
Yeah. Huh. Well, we didn't go that way.
I guess that's it for me. Toodles.
Leo.